Hey, what's up everybody? It's Portuguese DIY Dad, and today we are working on our Titan, our Nissan Titan 2004. I have this, the check engine light came on and I'm trying to figure out what is the problem. So I got a code and I got some details on what it is, and that's what I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you how to fix this. Before I get to that, if you enjoy watching my videos, please give me a thumbs up and leave a comment, subscribe to the channel. All of those things help me get the word out and more people get to watch this video. All right, so let's go. We are changing the oxygen sensor. Okay, this is the code that I got on my reader was P1283 AF sensor 1 bank 2. Okay, so it is the oxygen sensor. From what I understand, okay, what I have read and researched, there are 4 sensors, oxygen sensors. There's 2 in the front, 2 in the back, or 2 kind of like where the engine is, and then 2 a little bit further in the middle. Okay, there's 1, I believe this is bank 1, it's all the way down there. Okay, and then bank 2 is all the way down there. Okay, to get access to bank 2, which is the one that I'm gonna attempt to change, all right, I took the wheel well off. Pretty simple. Here's some screws and some things that hold it together, and that is the part right here. So I took it off because I need access to it. So some people take the wheel off. I don't think I needed to take the wheel off. I just kind of turned it to the left as much as possible so I have access to this, the oxygen sensor, and it gets plugged into right there. You do need a kind of like a special tool to take that out. I think it's worth buying. It's $7, and it's this right here, and it slides right in, and then you can take it out. So all of those things are going to be in the description box, so you'll have a list of all the tools you need, all the things that I used, and with links you can just click them and purchase those items on Amazon, where I buy most of the things I need from Amazon. Okay, so here, let me show you the new part. I did buy NTK, which I read that is the as closest to the OEM as you can get, and this is the new part. So right here, so we're gonna go ahead and take that out and put the new one in, and then you do have to do a few things to reset the light, and I'm hoping that I can show you that as well. All right, use my PB blaster, all right, on the sensor so it can start to loosen up. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a few minutes, let it work, let it do its thing. Since you are dealing with electricity, I would recommend that you unplug the negative terminal on your battery. So let me show you what I've done. Okay, I unplugged it. Okay, so it's unplugged. It actually got unplugged very easily. The plastic is so brittle that I just tugged on it a little bit and it just came out. So so that was easy. So the hardest part was getting this piece out, because I'm pretty sure this is the original oxygen sensor, and that thing was in there, man. I had to spray some PB blaster twice. All right, I let it penetrate for a few minutes, and then I got under the car this makeshift breaker bar, and I used it here on this and then got it loose. So Alright guys, so I just put the new one in. Okay, I use the same tool, right, this thing, to screw it in. Okay, and remember, I'm not a professional mechanic, guys. I'm just a DIYer who likes to take risks and do it myself. So I don't know why this was put through here, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the same. Oops. Alright, so I already plugged it in and put everything back. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put the wheel well back on, and I think we're finished. Well, we have to reset the light, but as far as installing it, we're done. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start putting the wheel well back on, and I just wanted to show you something that I bought for a few dollars on Amazon. It's this kit that has all these plastic screws. You know, if you're like me, you know, when you work on your car, sometimes you lose a few screws. It's kind of nice to have these kits. Well worth the money. I think I paid a couple dollars for a kit like this, and I've used it on my truck, and my other trucks, in my car. So, and then if you don't have this, okay, invest a few dollars and get yourself a nice little kit. So I'm kind of anal when it comes to this stuff, so I want to make sure that all the plugs and screws get put back on the wheel well. Now, put the terminal back on, so we're good to go. We're gonna start it. Alright, what I'm using to reset the code is my Autel Maxicom MK808. If you're one of those guys that, you know, you like to work on your cars, and you're like me, you don't get rid of your cars very quickly, and you like to work on them, you need to have one of these. I mean, if you don't have a good reader, you need to invest in a good reader. I'm so glad my brother-in-law convinced me a few years ago to buy this one. I'll put a link to the newest version of this description box as well. I love this thing. You can see, right, my service check engine light is on. Light is off. Alright, so thanks for watching, guys. I hope that I helped you find some confidence that you can do this yourself. This would have been a $400 or $500 bill that you would have had to pay to get this fixed. So, you know, not bad for I think the NKT brand was about, it was expensive. It was about $100 for that part, but they do make that part, so you could purchase, if you're not willing, if you don't want to buy, you know, that brand, don't want to spend that much money, if you want to just settle for an aftermarket brand, there's other brands. So I'll actually put two links, the one I use, and then like an off brand that you can also use. All right, don't forget to subscribe, follow, thumbs up. Appreciate you guys. God bless.